Hi, everyone. Please raise your hand if you're a sports fan. Great. Please raise your hand if you're a parent. Okay, I have something great for you. Winz is a mobile photo app for sports fans, which allows you to put live scores and other game data on top of your photos. I'm Dmitry Rutov, I'm CEO of Winz, and I'm also a parent and a sports fan. And I'm also the most unusual Russian you're ever going to meet, because I like baseball more than I like ice hockey. I'd like to tell you a story. This happened about a year ago, and I was very fortunate. I was at a Brooklyn Nets game, and I was seated courtside. And it so happened that right next to me was sitting Jay-Z, and across the court was sitting Bill Clinton. So I wanted to take a bunch of photos and post them and brag about all of this. And it turns out that from that Nets game, there were 6,000 photos posted. So everybody, all the fans were taking pictures and posting them. And it turns out that from an average college football game, there are 20,000 photos posted. And you know how many photos were posted from Super Bowl? 700,000. And here's what those posts look like. They're nothing special. In fact, they're pretty tired and boring and bland. So I started to look for an app that would allow me to add some design to it and to also add some context, such as live scores and other game data and my location. And in the US App Store, there was not a single app that would do that. So that's how Winz was born. With Winz, you just take a photo, you select the design you want, and the live score and the other context, your location, is already embedded into the photo, and then you post it just with one click. Of course, you could do this with Facebook or Instagram, but it takes a long time to type all of the context up, and then the game has moved on since then. Here's some actual posts that were made using the Winz app. But this gets better. So now, with Winz, sports fans will be able to turn their digital keepsakes into physical keepsakes and pick up those gifts after the game. And this is not just limited to professional college sports. Parents, like me, will be able to surprise their kids after their kids' game with a memento like this after the game. Let me introduce our team. I started quite traditionally in the corporate world. Our CTO, Alex, is a PhD in nuclear physics, and he spent 10 years on Wall Street building high-frequency trading systems. Yulia, our designer and software quality assurance engineer, worked with over 1,000 mobile apps, such as ESPN, eBay, and Fox. We have tested Winz with 3,000 users. We onboarded 1,300 teams, and we stream live scores for all of them. And Winz is available on the App Store today. We're looking for funding to continue developing Winz, to expand our business, and to make Winz Instagram for sports. Thank you very much. Please stop by our demo table.